Hello and welcome to Thyros Web Development Tips and Tutorials. Here is a test for your CSS skills. Let's see how well you understand the concept of CSS specificity. Here is a paragraph inside a div with a class name, ID and some inline styles. All these CSS selectors are for the same paragraph element. With this being the case, what will be the final computed styles for the P element? Mainly, what will be the final color, font size and text decoration? Pause this video for as long as you want and see if you can figure out the right answer. Of course, without cheating. Alright, let's see if you got this one. Computed styles are color orange, font size 16, text decoration underline. Congratulations if you figured this out yourself. If not, don't worry. I'll explain what's happening here. This concept of CSS specificity confuses a lot of us, and if these rules aren't understood well enough, you will find it difficult to debug your CSS code at times. Each of these selectors or combination of selectors have a specificity value associated. Highest specificity takes precedence. Let's see how this value is calculated. First, the element selector with least importance like div, p, etc. Next is class selectors like .para in our case. More specific is the ID selector like #p1. So you can put boxes like these. Now to calculate the specificity for p selector, count and add 1 in the appropriate box. Since p is an element selector, add 1 to this box. Others will be 0. So the specificity of this is 0, 0, 1. Now this block #p1 has an ID selector. So add 1 here and zeros here and here. Specificity becomes 1, 0, 0. The block .para has a class selector. So it's 1 in the center box and 0 here and here. For this, the specificity is 0, 1, 0. Now the last block div space .para has one element selector and one class selector. So this becomes 0, 1, 1. You can read all of this just like numbers. So these are 1, 100, 10 and the last is 11. Naturally, 100 takes the highest precedence, which is why the final text decoration is underlined and not dashed or dotted. But, all of this takes lesser precedence than the style attribute here. It's almost like you can add another box here with a 1. So this has a value of 1000, which is 1000. This is why our final computed color is orange. But what happened to the font size? Why is it 16 pixels and not 32 pixels? That's because of this mighty important. It takes precedence even over the inline styles. So, our text decoration is picked up from here, color from here, and font size from here. CSS is crazy, isn't it? I hope this video gave you a good understanding of how to calculate specificity of CSS selectors if you ever need to. Do share it ahead with your friends. Thank you for watching. Hit a like and share this video ahead. If you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to subscribe below and turn on the notifications so you won't miss a single video from Thyros.